my god.
I can't do it.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Do it again. Such crazy ass dance moves.
I know.
I want to bust a move.
Don't be. Here, on me, kiss.
Hey guys. Corinne's changing her pants.
I think you might piss yourself, I'm just saying.
I may piss myself. This is my new tape. The fuck? And they wonder why I'm so fucked up.
I don't hate your mother, but if I did, who could blame me? Now get out of the way, I'm trying to watch the game. You could not put it to the Yankees, did you? That is a ding-dong riot. That is a ding-dong riot.
Can you play? It's freaky.
What the fuck?
Please.
What is she doing? She's in her pants.
Can you play It's Tricky? Where's my phone?
I don't have that song.
Here, I need you to play It's Tricky. Hang on. I need to get... Hang on.
Oh my god. You're totally inside your pants. She's in her pants. She's walking around in her pants. I'm like, what the fuck? I look over and she's like, can you play Tricky? I'm like, what? This is my life. I enjoy my life. Don't hate. That's rude.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, yes.
No, don't put the dance on YouTube. What I'm about to do.
I'll make a separate video.